In today's video I want to show you guys what you can do if your Overwatch 2 is lagging and if you have ping or internet problems in Overwatch 2. Okay, for the first step we go into the search bar and here we look for the control panel. So click on this and here we can click under network and internet on view network status and tasks. So click on this and then we have our connection. I'm connected with Ethernet right now. After that we can click on change adapter settings and here we do the following steps with our connection. So I do this now with Ethernet, right click on it, disable it, wait like 1 or 2 minutes and after that you can enable it again. This is to restart your Wi-Fi from your PC, and you also do this with your Wi-Fi router to restart your whole Wi-Fi. And if you have done this, you can right click on it again, click on diagnose, and here we have many tips and tricks from Windows we can follow. So, and after that we can right click on it again, go on properties, and here we have Internet Protocol version 4. Click on this, go on properties again, and then here use the following DNS server addresses, and then we have the preferred DNS server. The preferred DNS server is 8888 and the alternative DNS server is 8844. Click on OK, close this, and after that you have to restart your PC that the settings will be saved. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, it would help me a lot. If not, write down in the comments, we'll find the solution, and then see you next time.